Kublai Pibaro impedang subhai pi shikatup kubor mentagajan miat shaban paj kubor kibabnya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Bata Menteri Rangba Konrad Ki Sangmai ketanat PHE bentung ya kejing tokit halo kejing keno ya kejing bam kuat ke umbam umdi hasor Shillong. Onbu ka Meghalaya bat Assam daki bawah pahara bamesyak liang hagi tan kaput. Penlong ki pulit CRPF daga cross country bike expedition ban lekmen ya ka nari Shakti. Bat play pai ba Menteri Rangba Konrad Sangma ia ke Meghalaya grassroots music project Khasi ke ba. Ki khubor ke bnya. Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Sangma ulabata iktanat Public Health Engineering dan PHE ban pak tokit marmar halor kajing keno jong keseng Federation of Khasi Giant and Garo People dan FKGGP halor kajing jabok ke umbam umdi haki sapu sau tuli kishnong hasor Shillong. Abakren bat kadidi news Meghalaya Konrad Sangma ulaong bagasoka jala kan bisha benya halor ke kaipot balapa da keseng hagasngi baar jong katayo katkum kajing kedau ke FSSAI ke potential of hydrogen lan PH jong ko umbam umdi kalong nado nrio point san hado pra point san lada kadai hapo nrio point san laong ba ko kalong ka bombet bandi.
And also to ensure that we go into all the other areas that are there. It's a large network, large system, and therefore we need to ensure that we take all the aspects into consideration. But as I said, nonetheless, we are not taking anything lightly. We will examine all the factors.
Bab ia ke jengkeli belawan rak dagi katu kat ni halo ke sinjam bagi soka Meghalaya kala shim ban wengno iki pulit na ki jaka badon ke jeng kajia put. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Konrad Sangma ulaong baka dei ke jeng sngotu bakala. Ulaong baka Assam kala dap weng iki pulit jongka bat ke Meghalaya ru kan sepenpau ia ke jeng sngows kem bat ban le kumju. On sawanra di Pulit Central Reserve Police Force dan CRPF hakini kijaka. Laru banong bau Konrad Sangma bat uhimanta beswa sarma kila aya kendu agas ngisat jan baladeb kum shibenta jong ka jing penbet put jong ka wat ka baar ha ka balarai ban wengno iki pulit ka jela na kijaka badon ka jing ka japut.
Assam is withdrawing the police from their side and they will be bringing in neutral forces in those locations. There are certain concerns and areas which Assam has mentioned that if Assam is moving one step on one side, then they have requested that if Meghalaya also can adjust accordingly so that there is a reciprocation from our side. So it's not that we are moving backwards, but since Assam has offered and said that they will bring neutral forces there, it's another gesture from our side to ensure that both sides are able to bring in neutrality. Another very important thing is that in the next few days you will see, which was discussed in the meeting, that there are some particular BOPs which were constructed very much within the borders of even current, the non-disputed zones of Meghalaya state, and Assam has given commitment that those will be withdrawn also.
Katanat Central Reserve Police Force ringkat ke jing trelang bak katanat Women and Child Development kan pelong ia ke lempung nya tuk-tuk lani ke cross country bike expedition. Ringkat bat ka Yashashwini ke badai ke kenhun nya tuk-tuk ki kentai jong katanat CRPF kum shibenta ban rakhia ia ka nari Shakti jong keri. Aga tan chuti la mingi ia ke ne ke lempung on pensedang na Shillong. Palat Cispak San Pongut ki officer kentai jong ketanat CRPF kinya ada ki tuk-tuk 75 Royal Enfield motorbikes ya ka ba on pia ya ki hakilai kenhun. Kini ki kenhun kin sedang ya ka jingya lenti na Srinagar ka ba Shapang Shatei na Shillong ka ba Shapang Mingi bat na Kanyakumari ka ba Shapang Shatie jong keri India. Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Sangma ulapli paitba ke Meghalaya grassroots music project lani MGMP ka ba ringkat ba Menteri ketanat kam jengok kai pertai uba apo lingdo ha kendai lat Shillong ke MGMP ke dei ke jingit trelang jong ketanat kam jengok kai bat ke Meghalaya age labu ban sedang ia kene ke projek naduk kene ke tayau banwan bat an pelong ia ka Haman ki district. Habakrana kene ke sungi upkonrat sangma ulo ong balingba ka Meghalaya grassroots project haga samoy ka baningkong komba khan rius pa ngut ki nongput nong tem kilawan banishim benta hakaba kila tem hapalat lais pa teli ki rensan kaput ketem. Syu kene ke project ka thumu ban penyisno hapdeng kaput ketem bat ka kam jengok kai perthai ban penpau perthai ya ka jing rius pa ka riti ki dostro jong ka Meghalaya.
The season 2 that we are having of the grassroots program is meant to again give another opportunity. This whole idea is to really showcase the talent that we have. As you know, through this program, the government funds 1,600 artists last year. We paid them to perform every day or every weekend in different locations. So we created employment out of musicians. By using the money, of course, that tourists are bringing in, taxes coming in, we are paying our musicians, they perform, we create jobs out of it, and that's how we're trying to create an industry and an economy out of music.
Ka menteri ketenat ke kot ke khia kong amprin lingdo hinin ke sngi ilo ong baki don lai pu pratali ki jai kitien jong ki jela per ki baha bapo ketup ke ban sya penrung ha ke krenet ke bapra bat la kentu ya baro ki seng sain perthai ki banyak khun ha ke election lok sabha usnam ajar apusau ban kentup ya ke jing dawa ha ki mat jingkular jong ki Agajuk kapor menteri la pentep ba iwei ibalet pulia ya ke MBBS na East Giant Hills ila sya kentaj ban yo ya ke seat na ke baha jong ke jela jong ke on reserve seat hadien ba deputy commissioner ulakmi benya ya ke permanent resident certificate bala shem ba kenia ke kena pulia kamlong ke bebet ban yo ya ke PRC ya kenia ke seat an sa IT no syaki babut nadien ki badon ha ke waiting list ha ke kerdan on reserve seat
that Khasi of the state, indigenous language of the state of Meghalaya, is one of the 38 listed languages that are awaiting the assent for submission of amendment to the parliament, both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. Became controversial because of several details that were, that were indicated to government at that point of time. We have sent the provisional PRCs to the various districts, giving them an instruction that henceforth there shall be no more issuance of a provisional certificate.
Palat Sans Pangut Kinong Trey jong ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council kile lum lang nen ke sngia Palau jong ke GHDC ban pelong ia ke jing ki bajai na ke daw ke jing slam ban siu ia ke tulop jong ki ke bamanla ubnai bat ka jing yai up jong ki ia ke tulop mentala shipo benai ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council Staff Association menta ka kenti ke la kentu ia ke soka ban weng ia ke jing e be dei bagi kampisa tingka da ke basiu biang por ia ke tulop jong ki Lada omla ban pen urlong ia ke jing dawa jongki kila maha man pelong daki weipat ki jat jing ki hadin habun. Mentapat ngnya kimi ke jing long juman ke sun beneng. Ka jing shit ke long arpo point pra degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat ke long khat riu degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau ke long khandai pulai ni shispa men step bat khandai penrin shispa jan mien. Ka jing hap slap ke long pra point r millimeters. Kala bandon ka jing hap slap ke ba melu mala hak babun ki jaka. Syaban poi syak bakut jong tuk kubon ni pek biang sa asian ni kini kimat berkongsan. Batha Menteri Rangba okon rat ke sangmai ketenat PHE bentung ya kejing tokit halo kejing keno ya kejing bom kuat ke umbam umdi hasor Shillong. Onbu ke Meghalaya bat Assam daki bawa pahara bom ya syak liang haki tain kaput. Penlong ki pulit CRPF dah ke cross country bike expedition ban lekmen ia akan nari Shakti. Bat pelipat ba Menteri Rangba Konrad Sangma ia ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Khasi ke Baa. Terparlok dari tu kebor yang lapoi sebekut jeng tup kebor jeng minta kejan miet haduk manusia milah syai kesengi haga jok kebor kebdi sibuni pi baro.